Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you HP 23.8 inch diagonal monitor. Let's go ahead and look at it. Is English, Russian, things like that. HDMI. There's nothing on the package. Let's go ahead and look at inside. What's in it? Okay, I have HDMI cable. I have DisplayPort cable. I have power cable. And then I have auxiliary cable. They put so many things inside. Manual. Okay, let's see. Quick setup. At least it has a display port and horizontal, vertical, diagonal, and it has HDMI VGA auxiliary cable, and this has built-in speakers. Okay, as you see, it has speakers, display port, HDMI VGA auxiliary cable input, and we have buttons there, IPS screen. Take the phone out. How's it gonna go up? Oh my god. Is this the only height it's gonna go up? Because how am I gonna use it? Oh, like that. It's gonna touch over here when you try to do horizontal way. I didn't like that, but that's okay. It's easy. As you see, it is very thin. We have the laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. Let me see. Turn it on first. Optimal right now it is 60 hertz. Let me go ahead and open a YouTube video. Let me see. Go to YouTube. Okay, let's look at the sound quality. Key. Sometimes you want to tow, but you cannot tow it if it's not in neutral. Otherwise, it's going to damage the car. First of all, two stones, obstacles under the tires. And then let's go ahead inside. Open it. So far, I like the sound quality, and then I like the picture quality, video quality. Let me look at something else. Let's see this. First of all, you can find the CD that you're not using, and then you can find something to put it like as a weight, and it's gonna be sloped to the camera. As you see, let's go ahead and stick it over there on the CD. See the buttons below right there. Let's try this, what that is. Okay, that's input. That's the color and the brightness and the menu. The menu, let's see. Okay, you can change the brightness, contrast, video level, and back. Let me go down, color, and response time. Let me see, response time. Fast. I like fastest. Wow. Okay. Let me go back. Image input. Power. Menu. Rotation. Management. Information. Right now it is 60 hertz, but when you play it's gonna be 75 hertz. And that's it. Overall, I can suggest it because there are some advantages. It has speakers. Also, it has DisplayPort and VGA and HDMI. Also, it has the auxiliary input. Another thing is that you can use it as diagonal, vertical, like that. Especially the people for coding. Overall, it is 7 out of 10. I gave 85 something dollars. This is the cheapest one so far. Okay guys, let's go ahead and test it out with the game. I have so many games here, but which one should I choose? Let me choose Most Wanted. Let's play with that. Only second screen. There's some key. Okay, it's coming. I'm gonna look at if it's gonna be 75 hertz or not. But first of all, let me change it to only second screen, and then okay, right now the audio is coming from the monitor. Okay, let me see the options. Video. Right now, as you see, 74.97, 75 hertz. That's the maximum it's gonna go. Okay, and let me see. Let me change the brightness. Brightness is 90%. Now it's 100%. Contrast, dynamic contrast, video level. What is full range? Let's see. Okay. And then color, image. We already chose the fastest. How about the sharpness? Overscan, we don't need that. Okay, let me see the volume. If I, oh no. Okay, volume, you need to go to management, audio, right there. Okay, volume, as you see, you can change the volume there. Okay, now it's good.
I'll cover your fans. Just send me targets.
As you see, it's a good one because it's like $87 including tax, and I wasn't expecting perfect, but this is good, what I need. 75 hertz, and the image quality, especially what I like is, oh my god, grenade. What I like is built-in speakers and DisplayPort. As you see, I'm gonna die right now. Don't. Yeah. Alright, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching, and have a good day.